So, I'm not going to say okay this time. I had to share this one with you. This is a very interesting find, and I think, and I hope, I believe I'm right. This Nissan Altima 2018 came in with the previous video, the transmission speed sensor code. Okay, so I replaced the speed sensor. No more circuit code for that. But this thing has an issue where if you're in normal driving mode and you accelerate, the traction light comes on and it basically goes into like, I'm not accelerating anymore. Watch. Okay, I'm obviously not holding this and driving, Ontario, but look what it's doing. Like that. And I'm accelerating and it just slowly, sometimes it'll just go to nothing. So now watch, I'll turn the traction off like that, and no problem, no slippage, no nothing. Okay, so this really had me wondering, like, what in the heck? So I'm thinking maybe transmission is slipping, maybe fluid is low. Check the fluid, it's all good. No codes anywhere, not in the ABS, not in the PCM, not in the transmission, nothing. Okay, and I'm still using this King Bolin little scanner, and I'm liking this thing. Let me just get into this. So I'm going to share a screenshot or a picture that I took of the ABS data while I'm driving. So look at this. So look at those numbers. Now, us in Canada use the metric system, so that's in kilometers. And if you look at the rear and the front, there's a difference of what, about 6 kilometers or 7 kilometers, something like that. Now, I was wondering, what's the chance this guy's got 2 different size tires on this car? So this car is supposed to have 215, 55, 17 on it. And again, since we are in Ontario and it's snowing, he's got these snow tires on, so these are not his regular tires. So on the front is 215, 60, 16, and on the rear is 215, 70, 16. So now I could do the calculation and show you exactly what the difference is between those 2 sizes, and I will. It's right here. Damn, that was actually more than I expected. That's 6.5% difference. So again, just like that little screenshot, 6 kilometers difference. So anyways, I do believe that that's what his issue is. That is why when you turn the traction off, it doesn't slip and it runs and drives fine, because now it doesn't care that it's got 2 different speeds going front and rear tires. So I will highly recommend this guy gets 2 tires that will match the other 2 and should fix his problem. Good to go. As Chuck would say, that's a diag.